Okay, so this is my research argument, and the topic that I chose to research and argue about is emotional advertisements, effectiveness versus rational ones. And so, yeah, this paper was a beast to get done. And I'm not really very happy with this paper. I struggled a lot in the research aspect. I was pretty overwhelmed, honestly, by the amount of information I needed for this topic. And then I also had to go over the sources that I was using like countless times just to decipher the complex kind of diction they're using, which ticked me off a bit because it seemed like the language in those articles is overcomplicated just for the sake of sounding intelligent. And I just think I could have learned a little more if I didn't have to go on over to dictionary.com every other sentence. No, just kidding. But I did try to simplify my argument, kind of, in the paper as a whole, really, to make it easier to understand because there's a lot of complex psychological science or psychology involved. But I kind of feel like I may have simplified it to a point which left the paper a little underdeveloped. But I think kind of the strength of this paper would be that, well, I think what I have is good. It just needed a little more elaboration. And yeah, I really do not feel like this paper represents me as a writer.